Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to jack up a Honda CR-V. First, inspect the jack and stands for damage, confirm ground is level, engage the parking brake, and place wheel chocks. Next, loosen lug nuts slightly while the car is still on the ground. Keep hands clear of pinch points and maintain steady breathing. Take your time and don't rush any step for safety. Identify the correct jack points by consulting your owner manual or the markings on the pinch weld, and position the jack pad under the reinforced area. Center the jack saddle so it contacts metal directly and not plastic trim. Raise slowly until the jack just touches the vehicle, then check alignment before lifting further. Keep a hand near the emergency brake lever to prevent accidental movement while you secure the car with jack stands. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep lunches tidy when I'm working on cars. They seal well and fit easily in a toolbox or cooler, which saves cleanup time on greasy days. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pump the jack in steady, controlled strokes until the tire clears the ground by a couple inches, and stop if you feel any slippage or unusual resistance. Position jack stands at rated locations and lower the car gently onto them, verifying each stand sits flat and stable. Give the vehicle a gentle rock to confirm secure support, then fully remove the jack and proceed with tire or brake work while staying clear of unstable edges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.